Welcome to MediCrafts PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this clinical question, which is quite interesting from PROSO, which was asked in the year 2024. Now, question revolve around the mandibular major connector. Question says that patient's mandibular posterior teeth are missing, and now you have planned for RPD and you want major connector. But the anterior teeth, they are, you can say, periodontally compromised. Now, what will be the choice of major connector? Options given: labial bar, lingual plate, sublingual bar.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
And let's discuss all the types of major connector. So this is lingual plate. This is lingual plate. This is labial bar. This is your sublingual bar. Now the meaning is in the name itself, and then this is your lingual bar. Now, the major connector, which is generally prescribed for such kind of patient with missing posterior and anterior, they are periodontally compromised. The choice is lingual plate. First of all, it is less bulky. So, less bulky, provides good support and stability. Moreover, it just, you can say, distribute the forces. So, distribute the forces evenly. Okay. Now it is bulky from this part, lingual part, whereas the anterior part, this is quite, you can say, thin, and it has scalloping as well to, you can say, hold the tooth. So this is the preferred choice. Now let's see the other types as well. Labial bar. This we generally don't give in such cases. First of all, when the name labial is there, so this R will be present labially, which will decrease the aesthetic. It will increase the bulkiness. If the, you can say, muscle weakening is there, you can see this labial bar here protruding from the this part. So basically, it is not advised. Then sublingual, it is related to plate, but it is lying deep in the sulcus. It is generally given in the cases where you cannot give these plate. Again, this is generally not advised. Lingual bar. So in lingual bar, you can see that it is holding like this and one part is like this. Again, the problem is, you can say, stability and the support. So all these reasons, they are, you can say, valid why we are not giving these type of major connector and why we are preferring lingual plate. Coming back to our question, the correct answer is lingual plate. Thank you.